friends, welcome back to my channel. It is beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Okay, no, it's not. It is hot. It's like still, I think the day that I bought these, it was like 93 degrees. And let's back up. I am like Mrs. Claus. Like, I love a Christmas. I'm ready for Christmas all year long. But your girl is like hot, and it is, and even I am like, oh, that's a little early. And you know, if I'm saying that, like, it's early because I'm ready all the time. Nonetheless, I bought things because, I mean, of course, right? Yeah, of course. So I wanted to show you what I picked up, and oh my gosh, I am really excited. I've seen a lot of Dollar Tree hauls. Our Dollar Tree does not have all the things in yet, so I'm still on the lookout for some things, but I picked up a few things that I thought might sell out. So let's look at what I got. The first thing I got probably won't sell out real fast. These are usually pretty easy to find, but I actually needed it for a craft project. Actually, for a Halloween craft project, not for a Christmas one, but whatever, right? And it is just these globes. Now they have these in the bigger ones like this one that come with one for $1, or they have them in the smaller ones and they come two for $1. So I picked up one of those. This is a new product. I have not seen this at the Dollar Tree, or at least my Dollar Tree, before. It is a snow globe, and it has like the stopper in it, so that is going to be so great. My son loves snow globes, so I actually ended up picking up two of these because I know he is going to want to make one, and it has like the instructions and everything in it, so I thought that would be really cute. I did actually also, which is not in my stack, pick up a little package of the like fake snow, like the little beads that would go in there, and I think it may be in the, I have a big pile for another Dollar Tree video that I'm doing that's like a massive, like everything except Christmas. Like, it was too much to do it and Christmas because it's got like random household things and fall things and Halloween things. It's got a lot of things, people. You're going to want to see all the great things I got, but I think maybe the snow is in there somewhere. But anyway, let's pretend that I'm showing you snow. Yeah, nice, right? Okay. So these were such a great buy. I bought these. These are wooden Christmas trees. They come with the jute, like for the hanger. And guys, they are 5 of these for $1. I bought them in the trees and the bells and the snowflakes and in the stockings. I had originally just bought the stocking ones because I thought that would be cute too. I like to make us an ornament each year and put like, you know, and I thought I could decorate it with like, you know, theme them for each of us. But then I decided, you know what, these are just too great of a deal. 5 of these for $1. If you guys see these, grab them because I have a feeling they're going to run out pretty fast. The last two Christmas things I bought, because I didn't buy a lot, because again, I'm not quite ready. Our Dollar Tree did have a lot. I've been seeing a lot of the Peace on Earth and the Merry and Bright. Our Dollar Tree actually did have a couple of those, and I didn't pick them up because I just wasn't sure if I had a project yet. I probably wish I had, right? But the one thing that they didn't have was the truck. There is a wooden truck that is like these, and I have not found it, and I want it so bad, so I'm keeping my eye out. But I did pick up this it's like a big Christmas ornament, and guys, just the craft ideas like are just exploding in my head for this, right? Because you could paint this, you could stain this, you could put like the Kelly family, you could put, you know, a saying, a Christmas thing, so many things. This would make a great gift. Oh my gosh, guys, this is such a great deal for $1. So I got one in the Christmas ornament, and then I did get one in the snowflake, and I thought this will be cute to put let it snow, or again a monogram, or a Christmas saying, or prayer. Guys, so many different things. Okay, so that is what I got. I got, you know, just a handful of the items, probably about a dozen items or so if you count all the individual. And I'm really excited. I'm excited about what they have. I'm still looking for the metal words because, oh my gosh, one of them has believe. You know, the metal words like they had for like fall. Ours didn't get them into like the end, but I did pick up some. But yes, I'm super excited about this. I'm loving all the Christmas things. I'm loving all the Christmas crafts. I do like that the Christmas like craft kind of things come out early because it gives us crafters like time to make them and things like that. But even I, again, am just not ready for Christmas stuff. I think that next week it's supposed to be like a lot cooler here. And I think that once that happens, then I'll be ready for all the fall things and all the Christmas things and everything. So yeah, leave me a comment below. Are you ready for Christmas? Do you like it when they put out things early, or would you rather them wait? Leave me a comment below. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Thanks for spending time with me. Anyway, hit like and subscribe. And make sure when you hit subscribe, a little bell will pop up. And if you click that bell, YouTube will notify you when I upload a video so you don't miss any. And anyway, guys, again, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.